Thanks, Trish. Meanwhile, Jamaica's under-14 Reggae Girlz will be searching for their third straight win of the Caribbean Football Union Series when they take on Bermuda at the Captain Harris Burrell Center of Excellence at the University of the West Indies tomorrow. The Jamaicans got the better of Martinique 3-2 on Monday and the Dominican Republic 4-2 on Wednesday. Assistant coach Tashana Vincent recapped the team's performance on Wednesday.
It was definitely harder than the first one. We knew from the get-go that DR would be the team that would give us the most fight, and we were right. But I must commend the girls. On Monday we didn't play to the best of our ability, and even though we still have a long way to go, today the girls came up and they stepped it up a bit. So as we say, this is development, so it's gradual progression. So I must commend the girls for the spirit that they showed and the championship attitude.
The former national player says the approach will be the same for Bermuda come tomorrow.
New opponent, we don't really know much about them, so we're going to approach it the same way we did the last two. We're going for the win, we're coming out and we are going to be attacking them.
Kickoff is at 4 p.m. in the curtain race at 2. Martinique will batter the Dominican Republic. The competition is being used as preparation for the CONCACAF Girls Under-15 Championships next year.